There are various routes are there through which the drug is going to enter our body, like oral route, parenteral route, inhalation route, and topical route. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to focus on a very interesting topic, factors affecting rate of drug absorption. After entry of the drug in the body, it will move from the site of action to the bloodstream. Now, what is drug absorption? It refers to a process by which drug passes from its site of administration into the systemic circulation. There are various factors are there which are going to influence the drug absorption rate. For example, physicochemical properties, or you can say the drug related factors or dosage form related factors like solubility, molecular size, ionization, lipophilicity. Similarly, physiological factors like that is body related factors like pH of GAT, then gastric emptying time, intestinal motility, then presence of food. Then formulation related factors like dosage form, type of dosage form, disintegration rate and dissolution rate. Physicochemical properties like dissolution and disintegration rate of the drug. The drugs which are specially taken through the oral route must dissolve in the gastrointestinal fluid in order to release the drug from the dosage form and to produce the therapeutic effect. Then polymorphism. Different crystal forms of the same drug can affect the solubility and also absorption. Particle size. Smaller the particle size offers larger surface area, thereby increasing the dissolution of the drug. pKa and ionization. Unionized form of the drug absorbed better than compared to ionization form. So it depends on pH and pKa. Excipients, coatings and delivery systems alter dissolution and absorption rate. Lipophilic nature of the drug. If the drug is lipophilic in nature, then it easily crosses cell membranes via passive diffusion. If it is not lipophilic, that is lipophobic and hydrophilic, then it cannot be easily pass the cell membranes and other body membranes because of lipophobic nature. And the drug, if the drug is more lipophilic in nature, then it easily crosses the cell membranes and reach the site of action. Chemical stability. Drugs must retain stable in gastric pH, otherwise they may get degrade. Example, penicillin G gets degraded in stomach, hence it is given via injection. Formulation related factors. We are using various techniques, methods and excipients in order to convert active pharmaceutical ingredient in a suitable dosage form like tablets, capsules, ointments, injectables, inhalers, etc. Let us consider a simple example to understand the concept how formulation related factors affect the drug absorption. For example, a tablet which is having more hardness, it will take more time for the disintegration. If the disintegration time is more, then it will take more time for the absorption. If the absorption is slow, then definitely it will reach the site of action very slowly and the onset of action is also very slow.